Everyone, so in this video I will let you know about the SQL injection vulnerability. So this is the part 7. Basically I have covered already 6 part on this about the SQL injection vulnerability with the example with the hack different websites, right? So in this video I will let you know about the a tool that is SQL map, how we use the SQL map, right? So first I will let you know I am using here, if you can see. So I'm using two machine here. First one is the Metasploitable 2 machine here. The second one is the Kali Linux. This is the attacker and Metasploit is the target. So why I'm using Metasploit 2 machine here? So basically on this machine there are 5 websites which are running for the testing purpose, or make I have made the lab, right? So there are 5 websites. So we will test today with middle day. Here if you go to the WebPentest injection extra user info, right? So you will get the page here, and so I have already created a user Anku, password is equal to 123456. If we open details, so I will able to get the result. So this is the URL here. So copy that URL and put into your notepad, right? So but I have changed the password, right? Not the same password. This is the wrong password here. So I will let you know how the SQL map work, right? So if you see here, you type SQL map dash help. So you will get the all information about the SQL map, how we can use their multiples, parameters which we can use into our query, right? So before this, in my past video, so I let you know with the query how we inject our query in a page in SQL or in website page, right? So here we will found that any page is injectable or SQL vulnerable or not, right? So for example, I have copied the URL. This URL you copy. So this is the URL which I have copied, but password is wrong, right? So I use the command SQL map hyphen u means URL, and this is the URL, right? So it will let me it is injectable or not, right? If I clear the screen and paste, enter, yes. What he's saying here, I think I have missed something. Again I'm pasting and enter. So you have not declared cookie where server want to set on. Do you want to use those? I am using yes, enter. And what I am getting here, if you see, okay, if you see, so this is the payload here, you can see, and it will let you know. Time based blind, if you enter again, if you put, okay, let me found the error. Okay, again I'm putting the URL here and I put yes, then we will go with the 0. What happened here? Okay, so it will give the operating system detail here. We are using Linux 7.2, that is right. Also we are using PHP and MySQL. This information is basically right, and this is also right, which we are using this IP from this user, right? So I'm getting here one warning. So you can see here some of information is right, and they have tried multiple things with the username and password and try put the query here. So they are trying to inject the code, and that means a page is injectable, right? And we will try the second query here now. The second query we will try to find the database. So same query I have used SQL map you give the URL here, right? And DBS. So if you copy here, copy and paste, right? And enter. So here you will get the all database or whatever database we are using. We are getting through the query this because this is the injectable or SQL bindable, right? So we get the now database. If you want something from database, so you now you having the database and you can do anything right from here. So the same thing, we if you want what user or current user, so you can put here same as SQL u and your URL, then current user, right? If you enter here, so enter, enter, so you will get the current username, right? This is your current user. So that is also correct. And if you want a current DB, which DB is using, so same as you can write the query, and here is the current DB. So just paste the query and enter. So you will get the current DB name here. If you use OWASP 10, this is the current DB, right? And if you want something from the